Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 5th to 17th. And for June 5th to 9th, models in agreement this period depicting a trough over the Aleutians, a ridge over western Canada, see right here, and over the south we have a trough over the southwest, southeast, Gulf of Mexico, and we have a ridge here. Models are pretty good in agreeing with this model. We have a ridge here in the plains with above normal heights across much of the nation. And we're going to go now to the 9th. Miles unchanged very much. You can see our ridge here, trough across the Gulf of Mexico, the trough here in the southwest, trough here. Things are pretty good agreement during this period, and heavy rainfall this period is forecast for the northern and central California and into the Rockies. Expect very warm temperatures over the northwest with anomalies of about 20 degrees above normal. We're going to look at the anomalies. And we see temperatures of about 20 degrees above normal, stretch it into the Great Basin. Above normal temperatures are forecast for much of the region except for the plains into the northeast, with anomalies forecast from the plains to the northeast to be about 15 and 20 degrees below normal. More like in this kind of fashion, extending northeastward from the plains. Okay, now for the period for June 8th to the 12th. Here we are in the 10th. We still have a ridge here over the southern plains, trough here in the southwest, a ridge here, and a trough here. With near the and the miles during this period are forecasting a more a west to southwest flow. Now we're going to look here at the. Let me see what model I have. The European means and the GFS means. This is the UPS means centered on, what was the date? On the 10th. And we see a more like a westerly flow. We have above normal heights. Here's the GFS mean, still above normal heights across, extended near the above normal heights for the nation. We have our trough here, our trough here. So this pattern is pretty much in agreement. So during this forecast, period on forecast above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region. And we'll take a look at the temperature anomalies. We have temperatures above normal temperatures across a large area of the nation, with numbers of 50 and 25 degrees, and below normal temperatures forecast for the parts of the southwest, with anomalies of 25 degrees below normal. You can see here, that might be a little high, but that's what the model is showing. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation across this area. We're going to look now at the period for June 13th to 17th. Here's the 13th, and some of the models are forecasting here a trough over the northeast and a ridge here. This is the GFS. And we go forward to the end of the period. Let me see if I can get there without cutting too much. Here we are at the 17th, and it's pretty much of a zone of flow during this forecast, with near the above normal heights. Just a brief tendency of below normal heights here, very weak trough. The other models still showing the trough, but above normal heights across a large area of the nation. And then we look at the Canadian, and it has pretty much a zone of flow. Now, The GFS Super Ensembles forecast a ridge in the west and a trough in the east. And let's see, the NAEFS forecasts above normal temperatures across most of the nation except for the Great Lakes area, but generally that's the trend for above normal heights. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation. Temperature anomalies will be about 15 to 20 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for June 5th to 17th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.